What's up guys, it's Marissa and Isaac from Krietz Customs coming at you with a video of questions straight from the DMs. So you guys have asked questions, you have sent in messages through Instagram, Facebook. We took them out of our inbox or our DMs and we are answering them for everyone to hear.
Yeah, so the first one that we're gonna clear the air with is, do you lift customer vehicles? Can we lift your vehicle?
The answer is yes. We lift all kinds of vehicles. Most of our inventory trucks, Krietz Customs obviously lifts them, but we also lift customer vehicles. So older body style Chevys and Fords, newer body style Chevys, Fords, Rams, anything that you have, we can pretty much customize to whatever you want.
Okay, so our second question from our DMs is, what can I fit underneath a 6-inch lift kit?
So under a 6-inch lift kit, it kind of just depends on what the vehicle is. On your Fords and your Rams, you have more of the rounded fender wells, so you're gonna be able to fit the bigger wheels and tires compared to a Chevy. So 6-inch kits with the 1500s and the F-150s, you'll be able to run 35s. If you go into the more heavy duty trucks like a 2500 or an F-250, F-350, you'll be able to fit 37s underneath of them just to run your bigger sizes. Now for more of like a Chevy where you have your square fender wells, you'll have to run a little bit smaller of a wheel and tire package only because the wheel wells aren't as wide as what a Ford and a Chevy is.
And a follow-up question is our next one is, what can I fit underneath a 4-inch lift kit?
So 4-inch lift kit, pretty much same thing, just depends on the make and model of the vehicle. Ford, you'll be able to run the bigger tire sizes, and usually we can fit anywhere from like a 34-inch tire. And then Chevys, kind of just depends as well, especially with your wheel size, anywhere from like a 33 to maybe a 33.5-inch.
So we're gonna stick with the same theme with these questions, and the next one is gonna be, what can I fit underneath a leveling kit?
So same thing with the 6 inches and the 4 inches. With your level trucks, with your F-150s, your 1500, you'll be able to run that 33 1150 tire, a 20 by 9 wheel preferably. And then same with a Chevy with a leveling kit, 20 by 9 wheel, and you can usually get away with a 285 55 20 tire under the Chevys.
So now that you know that we can lift your truck and you know what fits underneath of it, you're probably wondering, does it void my factory warranty? So it can give us some insight on that.
Definitely, this is one of the biggest or most frequently asked question, does it void my factory warranty if I put a lift on it? Your factory warranty is definitely dealer discretion. So if you could take it to one dealer and say that it's covered under warranty, you could take it to a different dealer and they could say that it's not covered under warranty. So here at Krietz Auto and Krietz Customs, we do offer some extended service contracts for your truck to cover the fact that it is lifted. So we'll definitely go over some options for you when you bring your truck in to get it lifted with us. That way you can make sure you're covered all the way around.
So there is a difference between a service contract and a warranty. Does Krietz offer a warranty for lift kits?
Yes, so Krietz Customs offers a 30-month, 30,000 mile warranty on all parts and labor. So if you do have an issue with a truck, make sure you just bring it back to Krietz. We'll take a look at it, we'll look over it. If there's an issue with any of the parts or anything like that, we can take control from there and get them replaced if need to, or if it's anything with labor-wise, we can definitely take care of that at no charge to you.
So what kind of wheels does Krietz Customs offer?
So Krietz Customs offers a variety of wheels, anything from Moto Metal, XD, Fuel Off-Road, Hot Styles, American Force, any wheels that you can pretty much see online, we can usually get in. So if you just give us a call or shoot us a message, ask us if we can get a certain wheel, and I can look it up and just to make sure that we can actually get it in for you guys. But if we cannot, we also install customer provided parts. So if you have a set of wheels that you want to put on your truck, Jeep, SUV, or anything like that, we can definitely do that for you as well.
So running right along that question, the next one is going to be, what type of tires should I run?
So this is a big question too. A lot of guys don't know what tires to get for their truck. We have pretty much all brands of tires. We can go from anything from an all-terrain, a hybrid, or even a mud tire. So if you're obviously going off-road, you want a bigger tire that's gonna have a little bit thicker tread. If you're looking to use it as more for like a pavement princess where you're just gonna be driving daily to work or to stuff like that, you'll be able to use your all-terrains. We actually have a video on the 5 best all-terrain tires to run. You guys can check that out in the link right here.
So our next question actually comes in while people are here, and that's after they get their wheels and tires and their lift kit put on, is do they need to come back after they put the lift kit on?
So we suggest yes. We do provide a 500-mile service checkup. So once your truck is, or once you take your truck 500 miles or more, you can bring it back to here at Krietz Customs and we'll do a 500-mile service checkup. We'll make sure we put it back up on the lift. We'll check up all the nuts and the bolts that we had put on while the lift kit was installed, just to make sure everything is good to go. We will tighten everything up, drop it back down, drop it back up for you, and you are good to go.
So that wraps up our first set of questions straight from the DMs. So if you guys have any more questions that you'd like Marissa to answer, go ahead and leave them in the comments, or if you're on Facebook, on Instagram, you guys can send us a message as well, and she'll get to answer those.
See you guys next time.
See ya.